This is the second Learn section from lesson 14.4, the real world problems in chapter 14, measures of central tendency. You can see we're on page 266, and this Learn section is relating the measure of a center to a skewed distribution. So you can see that this dot plot is left skewed, and we're going to relate the measures of center, such as mean, median, and mode, to this skewed distribution. So it says this in this problem, the dot plot shows the daily pocket money of a group of students. Each dot represents one student. So therefore, this dot times the $1 would be $1 worth of money. This is another dollar and another dollar, one more dollar, another dollar, and another. So to find the total amount of money by these 6 dots, you'd take 6 times $1. So that would be $6. You can see that by the 6 times 1 right here. And then I add that to the 4 dots times $2, which you can see they've done right here to find the total amount of that money. And then 3 dots for those 3 students times $3, which they've done right here. And then $4 times this 1 dot, so 1 dot times $4. And then nothing, so 5 times 0 would be nothing. They could have included 5 times 0. And then add that to 6 times 1. So this 1 student times $6. Okay, so you take the total amount of those order of operations. Will tell you that you have to multiply all of the multiplication first, and then add those products to give you the total amount of pocket money. And then you'll divide it by the total number of students. So you should get the total amount of pocket money would be $33. And you'll divide that by 15 students. If you did that on your calculator, you would quickly get $2.20. And then the modal daily pocket money, you can see that this is the mode right here with the most amount of dots. So the modal amount is $1. So you wouldn't say 6, you'd say $1. And then the median daily pocket money, there are 15 students altogether. So you would have 7 and 7 would be 14. So the 8th student would be in the middle. So you could cross out these 2 students here, 1 and 2. And you could cross out these 2 and then keep crossing out in, and you would end up with the 8th student being in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right here. And the median would be 2. You could also count out and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on that side and find out the 8. So the median is $2. And then the measure of central tendency that best describes the data set, our mean is $2.20, and that is possible to have. The mode is $1, but it represents only 6 of the 15 students, so it doesn't describe the data well. And it's possible that both the median and the mean could describe the data set. The mean takes into account the students who have more pocket money, but the median describes what most students have in pocket money if you look at the data distribution.